तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू बढ़ता।
The two interesting things I will tell. One about night firing. I said getting 100% score was the normal, and this is what I inculcated in a team. There's nothing like 60-70% is not good. Anything below 100% is bad. So this became our dictum. Another interesting thing I realized was that we have in our carbine firing, we have a match in which we have to fire from the hip position. And in the hip position, you don't aim. It is like the Western movies you would have seen, no? That the guy takes out the pistol from the holster and he just fires from there. So that kind of thing it is there. You can see the pictures. So the normal feeling, among the troops was that this is a matter of luck. If you can get your first shot, then you can get the other rounds. And if you're not getting the first shot, then bad luck, things will not work out. So I told my people this is all nonsense. I could shoot well from hip position. And I gave them an example of one class senior to me. There is a gentleman called MP Singh. He captained Indian hockey team, and he used to be a right back. And since we are from the same school and we grew up together, in our sports stadium, he had made a hole in the wooden part of the hockey goal where he used to put the ball. So he was putting the ball in an area of about 4 inches. Consistently, he used to just bang the ball there in the absolute corner. So I told my troops that MP Singh doesn't have his eye fitted in his hockey stick at the bottom, but he can aim and hit in a area of not more than 4 inches from a reasonable distance in his penalty corner. He is a specialist. He was the highest scorer in the Junior World Cup, and later on also he has been the highest scorer in some of the tournaments. You just keep putting it there. So we trained our people and we got this stupidity out of their minds, and they started getting good scores in this. And the other principles of shooting were there. I'll not get into the details. So we were getting all this. So in practice, we found that our scores were way above the teams who had been winning the championship. Way above. Now came another problem. Our team had historically never come above 6th, 7th. That was our, we were somewhere in the average. Out of some 14, 15 teams, we would be 6th, 7th, nothing more than that. Now suddenly we were finding that we are scoring much more than the winners. So a word was there in the feeling, I would say, which I gathered, is that, practice to theek hai. When we land up in competition, then you have nerves, they take the better of you and you get a poor score there. Which I realized was actually a little bit can be there, but it was more or less quite a bit of nonsense. So we looked for some method, and since I was the CEO, I had to come up with a answer to this problem. And what we did, we said one evening prior to the competition that हमको एक गोली मिल गई है जो कि नर्वस नहीं होने देती आदमी को. वो गोली खा लो और आपका हाथ पैर जो है ना, कोई टेंशन नहीं होगी, कोई वाइब्रेशन नहीं होगा, सब कुछ काम रहेगा, and you'll get absolutely good score. तो people were thrilled. हमने सबको पूरा टीम को रात में गोली दे दिया. 1 tablet each of vitamin B complex. Which had nothing to do with those, there was nothing about it, but they believed it. And our first day scores were, and we were leading by a huge margin. And so many Jawans came and told me, Saab, the best thing was this गोली. हम वेट करते रहे साहब, स्टैंडिंग शॉट में राइफल वाले हम सोचते थे इसमें तो पक्का हाथ हिलेंगे और गड़बड़ होगी. साहब ये हाथ हिला नहीं, बिल्कुल एकदम काम रहा और शॉट ऐसे फटाफट कूल एकदम जाते रहे. This I'm talking of, this happened in 2001. Till now, I have not told my battalion कि हमने उनको B complex दिया था, and there is no goalie to settle the nerves. Anyway, we won the first competition by a huge margin, and I left the command of my battalion in 2004. We had gone on winning the shooting championships in the division by a margin, and even at our levels. And till date, it is 21. My battalion is invariably winning the competition as far as shooting is concerned, and this story started in 2001. So this is, in brief, how I learned how to shoot. Then I taught my Jawans, and I had taken all my officers also. I said, and I taught them shooting in the day as well as night as to what are the things to be done. And all my majors could also shoot well. And this is a short story as far as the training of shooters is concerned. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.